We are working on a 2018 Honda Odyssey. We was working on chasing a few electrical gremlins. We got most of them solved, but then the battery died. So we were stuck in the garage, and I was trying to figure out how to get this thing out of the garage with the battery. So because you has this push button start deal. I'll show you this. So on these, they normally have a little compartment or something down here that you can flip open a tab, and you stick a key in there, turns it into neutral. Well, this car didn't have it, so we had to go under the hood, and this is where I found it. So down here, when you're standing in front of the car, see, it's the front of the car. You come over here and throttle body right there, and you look right down through the throttle body, and you'll see this right here. Now you want to take a wrench and put it on that and turn it clockwise. You want it counterclockwise, so you want to turn it that way. Now once you start turning it, you'll feel the car going in neutral, and you can roll it backwards and move it to where you need to get it back. And once you're done, you just kind of turn it back this way. Anyway, real quick video. Found that was a real pain, so I'm sure you Honda owners would love to know about that. And again, this is a 2018 Honda Odyssey. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later.